Begin by creating a new page and entering its title. Also consider adding an icon and a banner if you wish. Now, the most important step for any vision board is to find and collect images that suit your vision and style. Use tools like Pinterest, Google Images, etc. to collect them. Now, back inside Notion, use a command /image to search for and insert an image block. You can then upload an image to this block or choose to insert using a link instead. An upload block, however, only allows you to insert one image at a time. For a vision board, this may seem too slow. Instead, you can drag and drop your images directly into Notion, multiple at a time. Initially, unless you have created columns, the images will appear in a line. To create columns, simply hover on an image and then drag it next to another using the 6-dotted handle. You can create as many columns as you wish and resize your images to fit perfectly. Use the spaces in between to add more elements just like any other Notion page. This includes text blocks and headings. Your vision board should now be ready to inspire.